Hi, I'm Jay, and we have here a drum-style humidifier that obviously has water leaking. So one of the questions we get is how to solve this problem. So right now, water's dripping out of this thing, and if you have a brand new humidifier, or you've just replaced the float valve, then what you want to do is take the cover off and adjust the float valve. So we're going to take the cover off here. And again, if this float valve is brand new or the entire humidifier is new, probably all you need to do is bend this arm a little bit so you can get the water to shut off. And you want the water to shut off right around this lip here. So somewhere around 1/2 inch below the top of the pan. Now, that's not going to work on this particular humidifier because we've installed a bad valve in this one, so it won't shut off anyways. So again, if it's brand new valve, brand new humidifier, you can adjust it. If it is not brand new, you are wasting your time trying to adjust this thing because this float valve is faulty and there's nothing you're going to be able to do to fix it. So at that point, what you need to do is shut off the water and replace the float valve assembly. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.